So Yassar, here we are at Duplex World. What have some of the key topics been that people have talked about?
I mean, one of the most important topics was the maximum operation temperature of duplex stainless steel, especially after welding. And another very important issue for me was the ability or the possibility to have post-weld heat treatment of duplex stainless steel, which is usually not done. So maybe there is some room for it, and it should be investigated deeper.
If we're looking at some of the delegates who have been here, what kind of people have you met at the event?
The people most of them were steel producers, some people as end user, and we have also some research institutes doing investigation in duplex stainless steel.
Were there any surprises in the sessions, things you hadn't expected to hear?
Not really. Most of the topics I heard here are important for me, and I'm looking for answer for some question of them. So there was not really a big surprise, to be honest.
So Yassar, what's the importance of events like Duplex World in our industry?
The importance of this material is the very good combination of the high strength, high wear and corrosion resistance, and there is a wide area of application for this material.
What were some of the applications that were covered during the conference?
We were speaking about heat exchanger. We were speaking about also producing very thin material from duplex stainless steel and the obstacle we need to overcome with this material. And one of the most important issue was if we can go a little bit up with the operation temperature.
We had a really good keynote from Atla Kvala from Equinor, where he looked at the history of duplex and offshore and subsidy and looking forward as well. Where do you see future applications for duplex stainless steels?
For sure, in carbon capture, which is an issue, will be a very important issue in the year to come. Unfortunately, I don't see a wide application for duplex steel in green hydrogen. So I think this could be not the correct material, but for carbon capture for sure. And maybe also in recycling industry, because we are all trying to find the closed circle of material, and recycling, where we have also issue with wear and corrosion, duplex would be very important material.
Now we know that young people are obviously the future of the industry. What would you say to any young engineers, for instance, who are thinking of coming to Duplex World?
I would recommend them to study material science and also to visit this conference, because there is a lot of people with very high amount of experience, looking at, for example, John Hoban and Roger Francis. So we have really people, you should hear them presenting about duplex.
And how valuable are conferences for industry?
I think it is very valuable because you make the connection between steel producer, end user, and research institutes. And I think this is a very important issue.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you too, Joanne.